Lakeview is a village of about 1,000 people located in western Michigan. The village was founded in 1858 on the shores of Tamarack Lake. The lake is a popular fishing spot in both summer and winter. Historic downtown Lakeview features many interesting shops, restaurants, and a charming event venue. Two of the most iconic buildings in Lakeview are the Mainstreet building and the Lakeview Hotel. The Mainstreet Pizza building was constructed using pink limestone imported from England in 1894. The building has previously housed the Lakeview Post Office and the Cato Township Library. The Lakeview Hotel was also constructed in 1894 and is one of the town's oldest freestanding structures.